Going to do a porta potty review here at Emerald Isle Beach, North Carolina for a new home construction here. Got a building permit over here. Looks like this is going to be a really nice home too. So this is a down east porta potty. Let's go in and check this out. We got air vents on the floor, kind of a dirty urinal. Looks like it was last cleaned December 21st. Got a hand sanitizer. We have air vents here, and we got our ventilation pipe. Toilet doesn't look too dirty. Doesn't smell too bad in here. It's well ventilated where it's sitting here. And looks like we have some toilet paper. Some green stuff coming off, I guess, the porta potty itself. This is another manufactured by Hempel Corporation, Germantown, Wisconsin. It's got one of the big handles here. Got a little bit of graffiti here. Let's go look on the outside. A little beat up on the outside. Sitting on skids, as you can see. All in all, this one's not all that bad. I'll give it a thumbs up on this construction site here at Emerald Isle Beach, North Carolina.